This building looks quiet, but it powers the digital world. Inside, billions of dollars worth of technology never sleeps.
This is not a warehouse, it's a digital fortress.
Each rack stores more data than entire cities once did.
Cleanliness here is a rule, not a choice. Silence powered by immense computing force. Everything is monitored, every second. Even the architecture is built for airflow and power.
Now, let's look at what keeps this place alive.
These servers handle billions of operations every second. Dust is the enemy of data.
Every blink is information traveling worldwide.
Artificial intelligence lives inside these machines.
Nothing here runs alone. Everything has backups.
Maintenance happens without stopping the system. Heat is the biggest threat. Every cable is labeled, tracked, and planned. This room processes the modern world. But power creates heat, and heat needs control. Cooling systems here cost millions.
Liquid cooling keeps servers alive.
1 degree matters. Air is engineered like a system. Power never fails here. Backup systems activate instantly. Every watt is tracked. Prepared for every scenario. Electricity moves with precision.
This facility receives more power than a small city.
Electricity is converted and stabilized before reaching the servers.
Every system here has a backup, and then another backup. If the grid fails, these generators take over instantly. Failure scenarios are tested regularly, without stopping operations.
Every volt is monitored in real time.
Fire is controlled without water, to protect the data. Prepared for emergencies that may never happen. Beyond this point, access becomes even more restricted. From here on, access is extremely restricted. Biometric security protects every layer.
Hundreds of cameras watch everything.
This room controls the entire facility. Every system is monitored in real time. Digital threats are detected before damage occurs. Even hardware access is tightly controlled. This anomaly needs our review.
Agreed. It's a judgment call.
I've checked the logs. Proceed. Every possible failure is planned for. Security here never rests. This is where global data traffic is managed.
Every system has a mirror. Alerts are tested without stopping operations. Zero tolerance for error.
Access logs are clear. Physical checks complete.
Final confirmations are green. Now, we look toward the future. Artificial intelligence lives here. Automation keeps everything running. Luxury now means sustainability. Luxury now means sustainability. Perfection is the minimum standard. Guardians of the digital world. Billions invested for invisible power. Always running, always ready. Always running, always ready. Subscribe for more luxury factory documentaries. This is the unseen luxury powering the modern world. Subscribe now and